Hello, my dear friend. Welcome back to my YouTube channel JKG English. I hope you are doing well and learning English in great way. As you know, this is my fifth day on YouTube, and in today's video, I am going to share with you some advantage and unadvantage about my village during the rainy season. My friend, as you know, I am from a small village where most people in my village are farmers. They grow many type of crops like chili, rice, wheat, tomatoes, onion, garlic, and some vegetables. And when it rains, they feel more happy because of the rain. Their crops grow well and become strong, especially in June month, because in June month they grow chili crops, and chili crops is one of the biggest source of income for my villagers. It causes problem, and sometimes it causes problem of the heavy rain because of the heavy rain crops and because of the heavy rain sometimes because of the heavy rain crops may destroy, and the road became muddy and slipper. Because of this, they have to face many problems to go to the field and to another place. And sometime because of the heavy rain, electricity went off, and the whole village became dark, and the children cannot study properly, and shopkeepers face many difficulties while serving the customers. Even water started rolling down on his houses, and his houses started falling down because many houses in my village made of soil. This was about my village, and I want to tell you that I make some mistakes while speaking, and I request to you, please forgive me because I am not a fluent speaker, but through making this video I want to improve my English. So thanks to all of you to watch the video till the end. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.